There are many intriguing things in the cosmos, one of them being black holes. Astronomers discovered what's inside a black hole for the first time. The center of the black hole, where every law of physics is defied. What's in there? Parallel universe? Doorway to another dimension? Or in fact, God? A new journal was published which revealed the inside of a black hole, and according to it, a black hole is a hologram, according to the journal PRX Quantum. It was an attempt to connect the theory of relativity with quantum mechanics. Both quantum mechanics and relativity describe this universe. Both are proven to be true, yet both contradict each other. They both predict different results about what happens inside the black hole. This contrast has been troubling scientists for decades, and thus, journal PRX tried to resolve that. But what they found was unnerving. But first of all, for doing so, they used matrix models made up of blocks of numbers. These models are a type of standard framework used in quantum computing that represent particles as one-dimensional strings. This gave researchers a base, a ground state that you could develop upon. And using these models, researchers were able to predict what's inside a black hole. So, what is it that is hidden inside the womb of this mysterious abyss? A hologram. In fact, not just a black hole, but our entire universe might be a hologram. Now you may wonder, how? Well, a hologram is a two-dimensional object that appears to be three-dimensional. A hologram is on a screen, yet it appears to be around, covering all three dimensions. Similar to this, the gravity inside a black hole acts three-dimensionally, yet on the surface, the black hole looks two-dimensional according to particle physics. So, what's the truth? The truth might be the hologram. The black hole in actuality and at the basic level might be two-dimensional, yet it appears to act three-dimensionally if taken as a whole, exactly similar to a hologram. This principle of holographic duality is symmetric throughout the universe. That implies that not just a black hole, but our entire universe is an illusion, a hologram. So, are we living in a hologram created by an intelligent species? Are we living in a simulation? All these questions are yet to be answered, but scientists are progressing further day by day. But to know more about the mysteries and discoveries of this universe, continue watching this channel. And you can start your journey with this video. It will blow your mind. Click here.